Today we're making a beautiful spring wheelbarrow. Before we get started, hit the like button and subscribe. It tells YouTube that you like these types of videos. I had so much fun making this project. I hope that you will come along with me and enjoy. I started out with this wheelbarrow that I got for the fall season for 66% off. It was originally $24.99, so I got it for about $8.50. I've already filled it with my floral foam that I've cut down the size, and now I'm going to grab out the flowers from my stash. This is a shop your home project, so I'm using things I already have in my stash, so this costs me nothing to make. Sometimes the best results come from using old materials in a new way, so I encourage you to look around your house and look at some things that you can revamp and just use in a brand new way. I'm starting with my hydrangeas, and I put them in a diagonal line first, and then I make sure that I hit all four corners. These are mass flowers, which means they have a big head and they take up a lot of room. So I'm not going to have to use anything to cover up my floral foam. So after I set my shape and my structure with my hydrangeas, I'm coming back in and putting my pink flowers right next to the hydrangeas just to see what it is that I like. And you're going to find out there's no rules with this, not so much. Set your form first, your initial shape. Then after that, you're just going to go back in and just kind of fill in with the rest of your flowers. I thought I wanted something to hang over the side of the wheelbarrow. I found out later on that I didn't have enough, so I ended up taking that out. So right now I'm just kind of going through and just editing it. Don't forget to have your trusty, dusty wire cutters so that you can cut your flowers down to the size that you want. Also have your floral picks. I have the long ones and the short ones so that I can add to stems that need it and then take away from stems that don't need it. So I really loved putting these succulents in there. I think they did a really good job to break up all that pink and the purple. And I found some more white peonies I had and just added those in. So this is what we got so far, and I am loving it. I saw that wheelbarrow and I was like, I could do so many things with that. I'm looking forward to using it for the fall time. I could even take that out and put some fruits and vegetables and stuff in there, a nice bunny for Easter. But I thought this would be a really cute centerpiece. So I'm working on my tablescape for spring, and watch out for that video. Once I get it posted, I will put it in the description box below. All right. These are my floral picks. You can get these at any craft store. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to wrap that around the stem. You're going to see me. I'm going to go down the stem so that it creates a really sturdy, nice, strong base. And then I can go ahead and pop this into the arrangement anywhere I want. So this is it, my friends. I went back later on off camera and I added flowers to the very back of the arrangement so that there's flowers going all the way around it. I got these tulips from Michael's. They're super popular and they're out every spring. They come out in every color. You see I got the tulip there. I also have some in blue. I've got them in purple. I have them in white and yellow. So they come in any color just about, and they add so much. They're so small, but they add so much to any arrangement. So right now I'm just using these to fill in any spaces, any gaps that I have. And it's also breaking up those colors and give me a little bit of variety. So this is just about my finished product. I so hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you got value out of it. Please be sure to check out my next video. It should be popping up on the screen in just a little bit. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great day. Remember to create and to inspire. Thanks for watching.